Hey guys, how's it going? OSCO here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be breaking down Fabfilters Saturn. It's a saturation unit that is made by one of the best plugin companies in the world, and I haven't really played about with it too much, but I've been playing about with it this morning and found out something pretty cool that's in it. So I'm just going to play the examples of what I've got and then break down what I've done. So I know these sounds aren't like fantastic, but it's the concept behind it for you guys to go and take this and play with it yourselves. But I found out that this plugin's got like this feedback knob, and you can play about with how the distortion feeds back into itself, and you can tune the distortion. So turn this down. And so I've thrown these on some pretty obscure sounds, so if I turn these off, so that's the original pitch of that sound, which is just like some weird little pitch thing. And then in this example, it's a church bell. So if I take that off and play that, that's what that sample is. And this one's a trap snare in this example. So if I take this one off, and it's all just from playing about the feedback knob, the frequency knob, the dynamics knob, and these tone controls over here. If you guys have got Saturn, go back and play about with it and play with this feedback feature, because it's really cool. And you can get different tones of the distortion from playing with this drop down menu here, so you can get like different sounds, like how harsh or how subtle you want it. And then you can play with the drive knob. It tends to squash the dynamics, but you can play about with it. And try with this HQ mode on and off, because that changes the sound as well. So yeah, give it a go guys. Let me know what you think. Peace. I'm just editing the video now, and I've just realised that the video is pretty short, so sorry about that. But my wisdom teeth are coming through and I just couldn't be bothered to record much longer, so sorry about that. I've also launched my Patreon. If you guys click the link in the description below, it'll take you through to there, show you what extra things you can get from being a patron. So fully recommend you go and doing that, because that includes like one-to-one tuition, sample packs every month, like lots of things for pretty fair price. Will you pay a tutor or anyone else online, they wouldn't give you as much as what I'm going to give you. So if you're interested in any of those options, you know where to find me. My contact information's all in there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video guys.